What's up, everyone? It's Curry Gaming back again with another unboxing video. Today I'm going to unbox some monster trucks that I found yesterday at my local Target. Two of them are from Hot Wheels Monster Trucks, and then I found a double pack from Spin Master Monster Jam. But I'm going to unbox that in another video, so I'm going to make two different videos today. The first one will be the two Hot Wheels monster trucks I found, and then the other one will be the review on the Spin Master Monster Jam double pack that I got. So these two trucks are from Case J, I believe. Here's the case. You have Steer Clear, Dodge Charger RT, a new casting called Motosaurus, Roger Dodger, a new paint scheme for Hotweiler, Biohazard Shark Creek, and a re-release of Bigfoot. So the first one is Motosaurus, and the other one that I got is the new paint scheme for Steer Clear. So we're going to start with Steer Clear. Here's the truck, and here's the crush car. It's the same one as always. Alright, so let's check out the new Steer Clear. I like the white tires that they put on this thing. That looks pretty cool. This is obviously a different paint scheme. I guess it's supposed to look like a cow, or maybe just a crazy raging bull. It's something. I like the red horns. Yeah, so I think it's supposed to look like a raging bull. It's really cool. The yellow chassis is kind of interesting, but I like it. Probably this is my favorite version of Steer Clear. I mean, the blue one was cool too, but I mean, this one's just cooler, just the way it's painted and everything. So yeah, that's pretty cool. That's Steer Clear. And then the next truck we're gonna unbox is Motosaurus. Before we get to that, I did want to mention something real quick. So I was also monster truck hunting at Walmart yesterday, my local Walmart. They had I didn't find anything new, of course, but they had some pretty interesting things. Well, I mean, I did find new stuff, but I didn't want to get it because it was double pack exclusive. Well, here, let me explain the other reason. They released some new double packs for Hot Wheels monster trucks. There's a new monster truck called Spur of the Moment, and it comes with Steer Clear. The Steer Clear, that's the blue and brown one. The Steer Clear, the shade of color looks new, but I'm not really convinced. I'm not really totally convinced it's a new paint scheme. Let me know if there is something different about that Steer Clear, and I might pick up that double pack in the future. The other interesting thing that I saw there was they released the double pack with Hotweiler and Hound Hauler. Hound Hauler looks the same, but Hotweiler has a new color scheme. It's maroon, and it says 68 on it, like to advertise Hot Wheels becoming a toy company in 1968. So yeah, it's pretty interesting. Oh yeah, and they also re-released Hot Wheels Police and Hooligan. So those of you who didn't get that 2-pack before, now you have another chance. Alright, enough babbling about that. Let's get into the unboxing of Motosaurus. Here's the truck, and here's the crush car. Alright, so here's Motosaurus. This thing is amazing. I like the teal blue rims that it has. It kind of reminds me of Zombie Rex. Obviously, it's a shiny, like metallic paint. The Stegosaurus head is a plastic insert. But the spikes are like a rubber plastic, but I'm not going to mess with it too much. And for those of you who didn't know, Motosaurus is actually based off of the Hot Wheels car casting. So they basically made it into a monster truck. Same thing goes for Steer Clear, because Steer Clear started out as a Hot Wheels car and then it became a monster truck. Yeah, so both of these trucks are very, very cool. I would recommend picking these up. So yeah. Anyway, guys, please enjoy. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please subscribe.